Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change your eBay account privacy settings. So to do that we will need to use our browsing system, so open your preferred browser and go to the official website of eBay, and then we need to go to the section My eBay. If you're using mobile version of eBay website as I do, you will see this man icon at the top, and this is basically the My eBay section. Scroll down to the account, and here you see the list of settings that you can adjust. So this is personal information, payment information, account preferences, and some donation preferences. So basically, to change some of the settings, you need to, of course, go for it. So open it, and here make some changes. Okay, so let me show you with, for example, personal information. So for example, I want to change my username, so I need to tap edit and apply some changes, and don't forget to save to apply any changes. So that's basically how you can change your eBay account privacy settings. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon, bye bye.